So, you're thinking of becoming an AI engineer. That's cute. You've seen the job titles on LinkedIn, you've watched some YouTubers say AI is the future, and now you're wondering if it's your turn to join the algorithmic elite. You're imagining yourself building the next Jarvis, or at least a chatbot that doesn't call people lizards. But let's talk about what being an AI engineer actually looks like. Because spoiler, it's not all robots and glory. It's mostly Python scripts, cleaning spreadsheets, and waiting 3 hours for your model to converge, only for it to still predict that a dog is a cucumber. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe to become a fellow codehead. Alright, back to the video. So what even is an AI engineer? Think of it as a weird hybrid between a data scientist, a back-end engineer, and someone slowly losing their grip on reality while trying to optimize a loss function. In simple terms, you're designing and implementing systems that use machine learning or deep learning to do stuff like recognize speech, generate text, detect fraud, or recommend YouTube videos you didn't ask for. You're building the brains of modern software, which sounds cool until you realize those brains are mostly trained on Reddit, comments, and mislabeled cat photos. Day to day, you're deep in code. Python is your lifeblood. You'll be using libraries like PyTorch or TensorFlow, wrangling APIs and orchestrating containers just to deploy a model that still performs worse than a logistic regression from 2009. And yes, you're also doing infrastructure work, writing Docker files, tuning GPU instances on cloud platforms, and wondering why your bill just went up by $200 overnight.
Oh no, this can't be.
Now let's talk skills. First off, math. Not just I can do my taxes math, actual serious math, linear algebra, calculus, statistics. You need to understand how gradient descent works, why activation functions matter, and what in God's name an eigenvector is. If that sounds intimidating, good. It should be. This field is a beautiful mess of theory and practice, and you can't rely on just copying Stack Overflow answers for everything, though. Let's be real. You'll still try. Then there's programming. If you don't know Python, you're not getting very far. You need to be comfortable writing scripts, using Jupyter notebooks, handling large data sets, and debugging models that keep predicting the same output no matter what you feed them. SQL is also handy because guess what? Your magical AI model is useless if you can't pull the data out of the database in the first place. And speaking of data, get used to it. 80% of your time will be spent cleaning, normalizing, and labeling it. You'll look at CSVS until your eyes bleed. You'll realize that most real-world data is just broken, inconsistent nonsense, and that data quality is the real boss battle of AI engineering. So what's the work like? Well, a typical day might start with a new data set. You explore it, clean it, try to find meaningful features, and then set up your model. Maybe it's a neural net, maybe it's a random forest, maybe you just slap on XGBoost because that's what everyone else does. You train the model, stare at the loss curve, tweak a few hyperparameters, and wait, and wait, and wait. Finally, it finishes training and gives you results slightly better than flipping a coin. Congratulations. You're now an AI engineer. But is it worth it in terms of money? Yeah. AI engineers are among the best paid roles in tech right now. If you know what you're doing, you can pull 6 figures easily, especially if you're working on large language models or applied AI in fintech, healthcare, or autonomous systems. But with great pay comes great competition. Everyone wants in. Boot camps are spinning up AI expert certificates like pancakes, and every resume has the word ChatGPT slapped on it like it's a personality trait. So here's the honest part. This isn't for everyone. If you hate math, ambiguity, or failing over and over again just to move your model's accuracy by 0.2%, this path will destroy you. If you want clear answers and fast feedback loops, go build front ends. AI is a jungle of uncertainty, constant experimentation, and models that work perfectly in training and then collapse the moment they touch the real world. That said, if you love puzzles, don't mind getting your hands dirty with messy data, and enjoy the thrill of solving problems in weird, probabilistic ways, this might be your dream job. Just don't go into it expecting to build superintelligence on day one. You're more likely to spend 2 weeks trying to figure out why your GPU isn't being used because you forgot to call to device. So should you become an AI engineer? Maybe, but don't do it just because it's trendy. Do it because you're curious, because you love learning, and because you're okay with being humbled by a model that thinks every image is a banana. And if you do choose to step into the AI world, there's one thing you'll learn fast. Good data beats fancy models every time. And that brings us to this video's sponsor, Decodo, a platform that embraces the AI wave instead of running from it, getting good data used to mean wrestling with flaky scripts, breakable selectors, and rate limits that show up like surprise bosses. But with Decodo, you don't just scrape, you do it smart. First up, the API Playground. Drop in a URL, hit run, and get clean, structured HTML back. No broken selectors, no headless browser gymnastics. Want to tweak headers or filters? The Advanced Options panel has you covered. Then there's the AI parser. Paste a URL, give it a natural language prompt like get all the product names, prices, and URLs, and you get back clean, usable JSON, instantly ready for your app, dashboard, or model training pipeline. Decodto also just released a new powerful tool, their MCP server. It connects LLMs and tools like Claude Desktop, Cursor, and Windsurf directly to Decodto's platform, letting you fetch web data right from your coding environment. With built-in privacy, GeoFlex access, and anti-blocking tech, it's seamless scraping without the context switching or duct tape workflows. So yeah, join Decodto today using my link in the description and get yourself a 7-day free web scraping API trial. Thank you for sitting through yet another tech rant, and if you enjoyed it, leave a like and subscribe to become a fellow codehead.